Hello, my name is Shatoria Monroe. I am a fourth grade teacher again at Sunset Avenue School, and today we're going to be going on a field trip to learn about the different websites that I use in my classroom or that can be beneficial for any classroom. The first one that I want to talk about is Khan Academy. This website offers a comprehensive range of math topics from basic arithmetic to advanced calculus. It includes video tutorials for your students. They can practice with different exercises. And then you also, on the dashboard, can personalize it for their learning. So I really like Khan Academy. I use it all the time. I use it to reinforce math concepts that I've taught my students by assigning the different lessons to them, just letting them practice the concepts, and it lets them keep doing it until they get it right and they pass and go to the next level. And I'm able to see on my end who needs more improvement, who has it. So I really like Khan Academy, and they're also able to work on this from home too. So that's beneficial. The next one is going to be iReady. iReady is definitely beneficial in my classroom. We are an iReady school, so most of our math teaching comes from iReady. We use it a lot in class. We use the PowerPoints to teach the skills to our students. We teach them the different methods that iReady does to teach them to work it out. One of my favorite methods that I love to use is the plus sign method. My students love the plus sign method. It helps them pull out like hashtags, which are important words that they see in the math problems. Then it tells them to pull out the questions. What are we looking for? What are we solving for? Next, we pull out important info in the next box. And then our last box is used to solve our problem. We everything that we've gathered in the beginning and we put it in the last box to solve. And my students really enjoy this way of solving because they can look at what they are doing, and it helps them categorize everything. So I really like iReady. I also like iReady because it helps me do grouping, differentiated learning based on how they are learning. So I can group them with students who um, are more supportive or students who need more support. I can put them in the same groups and then work with them on different levels. Even if I have students who are on a higher level, I can look at different ways to incorporate to help them grow still so they're not stuck and complacent. The next one is Desmos. This is an advanced function of mathematics, but it can still be used for fourth grade. They have different ways that it shows them how to do graphing up there. Because we do talk a little bit about graphing in fourth grade. We don't get into it in depth, but they do learn a little bit about graphing. Also, it tells them or it shows them different, like how to plug in different values on the graphs. It gives them engaging activities that align with the fourth grade curriculum. And then also it helps us to create activities and assessments that you can create to fit your students' needs. So you can use it to create your own assessments, which is awesome. The next one that I have is Mathway. Of course, in Mathway, we knew it for when I was in school. A lot of people used it for to just give them the answer. Well, Mathway has one step further. They actually show you how to work out your problems. They show you how to break it down step by step, and then they give you explanations, which is awesome. And sometimes students just need to see that in order to grasp what they are doing. So it gives them a different step by step approach. They can also use it to check their work, so to see and make sure that they are doing it correctly. So that's amazing. The next one I have is Coursera. Coursera offers online courses and I would say this would be used for me as well because it gives courses where they can study for math. It gives them um, it gives you lectures on like how to do math concepts. It also will help me because it gives like help with professional development. And of course, we're in school right now, so it's a good website to get like peer reviewed assignments. Just helping you plan. It really does help with those things. So not just for your students, but also for the teachers as well. And the last one is going to be Wolfram Alpha. Is used for um computational engine. It's a computational engine. It's used to help again with step-by-step solutions. And I can use this tool to verify my solutions for my students. And it also can help them to verify their solutions as well. And just to explore different methods in solving. I know as a fourth grade teacher this year, I have learned a lot of different methods used to solve basic math problems that I learned when I was in school a totally different way, such as like multiplying. I've learned partial product. I learned how to do area model, and those are things that I did not know when I was in school. And so I wish I would have known those different ways to solve because they have really helped me, and they would have helped me when I was in their grade or their age because it is really easy to take your place value chart and figure out how to multiply those numbers by doing partial product or by doing area model. And I love that they kind of connect everything back to place value in fourth grade. And everything that we teach, they can use that place value chart to help them solve. So I love that for them, especially when doing multiplication and division, because division was always a struggle. So I think these websites will definitely help you. You should definitely try to explore them and use them in your classroom.